Hi, I'm Naresh. I had done Master Data Science program in GUVI Institute. I'm DSM on batch. So coming to Master Data Science program, they have my mentor is Balachandar and Kaushik. They have taught me everything very clearly. So coming to the roadmap to data scientist, that is very clear. They taught me Python, SQL, and Cban and visualization tool, more visualization tools like that. And they every week they have a doubt clarification session, and also they have give multiple projects to improve our skills. So if we have any doubt, they will clear at any time. So that is the thing I have like from mentors. So coming to GUVI management, if we have any query, they will if we send an email, they will immediately respond to our queries, and they take care of us till the course end. So they will manage all the things very clearly. So plus to the management as well. So coming to the placements, they have sent more than 5 to 6 placements daily. So I think any other institute, they will send a placement thing or not, I don't know about that, but GUVI is doing very well job. So I like so much. And also they will conduct special sessions in another skills as well. So I'm very proud to be done a course in GUVI. So thank you so much to my mentors and management and GUVI team as well. Thank you.